Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's video is about 3 supplements for natural glowing skin. By the way, this is just the first video of a series of videos I'm doing for natural glowing skin, radiant skin, acne free skin, which is going to talk about superfoods. It's going to talk about my skincare routine. It's going to even talk about the face yoga that I do every single day for wrinkles. So stay tuned, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our videos. So coming back to today's video about 3 supplements for natural glowing skin. As a wellness coach, I've worked with several clients through my Natural Glow Masterclass, which you can obviously look up on my website, or one-on-one with clients so that they're confident with their natural glow, which comes from inside out nutrition. So they don't have to depend on makeup to feel good. You can always use makeup to enhance your look, but not depend on it to feel good about yourself, right? I mean, I myself gave up makeup years ago. I don't even wear it for wedding or events. I just confidently go with my natural glow and it really feels free, right? So one of the things that I realized that you need to have a certain level of supplements which complement our nutrition, right? So it's not coming really from nutrition, and we need to kind of make up for it so that our skin gets all the nutrition it needs to give us this radiant natural glow. So that brings me to my first supplement, which is vitamin E. Of course, you've heard about vitamin E oil, vitamin E as something that is really great for the skin, but I also realized that we need a supplement for it, and I'm going to tell you in just a minute. But first, let me tell you what vitamin E does for you. It strengthens your capillary walls. It gives you that elasticity. It gives you the moisture that you want. It also reduces inflammation as per research inside our body and for our skin, right? It's known as the anti-aging nutrient. So vitamin E is really important. Now, you would ask me, why can't I just eat stuff that has vitamin E? Well, I looked at the facts and I want to share with you that 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds will give you about 58% of daily value of vitamin E, right? 1/5 cup of almonds will give you about 38% of your daily need of vitamin E, and 1/5 cup of hazelnut will give you about 21% of your daily value. So to my mind and to me, I find it really difficult to consume all these things every single day so that I make up for 100% of my daily value. And I know how essential vitamin E is for my skin, right? Therefore, I'm moving on to having a supplement. It's a fat soluble supplement. It's a natural supplement, right? And the one that I have is this. It's 400 UI every single day. And if you see, it's mentioned here with mixed tocopherols. So tocopherols, these vitamin E supplements you get with mixed tocopherols, or you also get tocopherols, which is D-alpha. That's a synthetic version. So be careful to select a supplement that is with mixed tocopherols, right? You just need one every single day. Now, this came to me even in a lockdown in just 2 days, right? From a website. So you can actually just order the same one and it'll come in just 2 days, right, to your doorstep, and you can start from tomorrow or from day after. So this is my first supplement, which I think that I found it really benefiting when I started taking supplements. And of course, you can still have your almonds and your sunflower seeds, but you're not totally depending on that to have your daily vitamin E, 100% of your daily value that you need. Now coming to my second supplement, and that is collagen. I mean, I'm getting so many questions about collagen, and should I have collagen, and why should I have collagen, and which collagen to have. So for all those people who've asked me this several times on my Instagram, this is a piece of information that you should know, that number one, we already have natural collagen in our body, but it stops producing in its natural form after we are 21, right? It reduces the natural collagen production, reduces in our body. And what is collagen? Is the most natural occurring protein in our body, the most abundant protein in our body, and most of us are just getting 5% of collagen from all the protein that we are consuming. So you see, a collagen is so important because whatever you get, like I'm 40 and I'm whatever youthful look that I'm getting today, I need collagen because my skin is made up of this natural collagen. Now, if it's not going to get that collagen, how is it going to get its food, right? Food that it is what is the most abundant food for my skin. So there are 16 types of collagen. It's a really extensive topic. I want to tell you only what's important. 16 types of collagen, and type 1, type 2 and type 3 makes up for 80%, right, of the collagen in our body. And the one that we want to concentrate on is type 1, because that's what is making up the collagen for our skin. So we obviously know that we need a collagen supplement, because I gave you the fact that after 21 we reduce the natural production, right? So the type 1 collagen, unfortunately, this is bad news for the vegans and the vegetarians. If anyone is telling you that you can get a natural collagen from vegan or vegetarian option, I think you need to not believe it, because it doesn't come. No natural collagen from food sources will come from a vegan or vegetarian source. The type 1 that we are talking about comes from either eggshell or bovine or fish collagen. And wait a minute, I'm going to give an option to all the vegan and vegetarians out there. So just hold on while I first discuss the non-veg options. So the first one that I really like is Dr. Axe. As you can see, it's called Asian Nutrition. Dr. Axe. This has all the 5 types of collagen that we need to concentrate on, right? Obviously, it is a non-veg option, but it's a really good one. I love it. It also has a chocolate flavor. You get it on, website. Obviously, it takes a lot more time to come, because it's not coming from our country. It's coming from America. So for those who are living in India, that's a bit of a hitch. But if you're willing to take a non-veg collagen supplement, then this is my number 1, right? Dr. Axe, Asian Nutrition. Now, if you want something much faster, just another option of a bovine super collagen is NeoCell. There you go. I've just started to consume this and I'm quite liking it. It's really good. And as I said, type 1 can come from either bovine or eggshell or from fish collagen. So this is your number 2 option. Again, if you see, it's all clinically tested, it's non-GMO, it's gluten-free. So if you're willing to have a non-veg collagen option, this is your second option. NeoCell Super Collagen. Again, is available on Amazon. You can buy it today, it comes in no time. So that's what you can start. And for all the people who are vegetarian or vegan, we can have a certain supplement which will help to boost collagen in our body, but there is no natural collagen that we'll get from a vegan or vegetarian source. So understand the difference. We can have it so that it helps us to boost the natural collagen in our body. And for that, you can have Amalaki. Amalaki has 10 times more vitamin C than orange, and it's much higher in bioavailability. So you can actually use that, right, to boost the collagen in your body. Another option is having my product Super Herbs. You just see the image out there. Super Herbs, which is amazing because it has amla and many other superfoods which I've got from Ayurveda and from vegan sources, that is really good for vitamin C. So you can just have that 1 teaspoon at night in hot water, and it can give you that vitamin C that will help you boost collagen in your body. Now, many clients of mine have really benefited from that. You'll hear a lot of feedback about it from my Instagram page. So you can obviously start with Super Herbs right away. So that's my second supplement. And the third one, of course, is the Superfoods Love, the entire range of the 4 superfoods that I have launched. As you can see in the image here, right? It's Super Herbs, Super Radiance, Super Detox, Super Cleanse, because what it does is it cleans up the gut, it cleans up the colon, it balances the hormones, it gives that vitamin C, B12, protein, all these amazing things that even cleans up your blood, and therefore people are seeing results in a week, right? This is all the superfoods which is existing in plant and flower form, that we can't consume in form of vegetables. So what did I do? I made amazing superfood supplements with it, which you can just put in your hot water and consume. All the ways of how to consume it, so easy to consume, is already mentioned in the packet. So that's your third supplement. I'm putting all these superfoods as together as one third supplement to make a part of your night regime and your morning regime that you will see on your skin. And that is one of the things that I have for my skin. I have all these three things. So I spoke about the three supplements. The first one is vitamin E, the second one is collagen and the different options of collagen. The third is of course my superfoods, which has multiple different superfoods coming from plant herb and flower herbs that are great for your skin. So if you want natural glowing skin, then this is something you should have. And by the way, like, this is the biggest mistake I was making. I was just hoping it all came from food. And if you want to see the other mistakes I was making when it came to weight loss and inches loss, check out my video on weight loss and inches loss, which so you don't make even those mistakes, and you can start with all these amazing three supplements for your natural glow right away. And don't forget, I'm coming with an entire series of natural glow, so stay in tune, subscribe to this channel. You can obviously subscribe to our free newsletters on www.eatbreathesmile.com, so you get them in your inbox every Tuesdays and Fridays. You can get in touch with me on nipa@eatbreathesmile.com, and obviously follow us on Instagram, because we give multiple health and life tips that people are finding so useful. It's Eat, Breathe, Smile. And until next time, take care of yourself.